back to another Allure Beauty Box unboxing. This one is for, I think, January of this year? I want to say it's January. I didn't label the box on this one, so I'm gonna guess. But anyway, so here's what our little booklet cover looks like. And the note in this one reads, "Shine on, just in time to ring in the new year." Okay, yeah, it's January. One very bright revamp for your routine is nestled in this box. And if your New Year's resolutions have anything to do with brighter, dewier skin or shinier, healthier hair, consider those checked off your list. You're getting a Christoph Robin hair serum, that even our most highlighted editors are loving for healthier hair, an extra indulgent turmeric face mask for perking up nights in and brightening skin before big nights out, and a perfect Hiate liquid eyeliner for looks that are festive and foolproof. Happy New Year indeed. So, page 1. There was one of 3 items we could have gotten. It could have been the First Aid Beauty KP Smoothing Body Lotion with 10% AHA, KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA, or a Pure Skin Face Cleanser. So, I have one of the KP products. I want to say it's the Bump Eraser. I may even have both for all I freaking know. But I know I love the Pure Skin Face Cleanser. Like, typically that is what I go back for every time Ulta does, like, their 21 days of beauty sale, because they always freaking have it. And I usually buy, like, 2 since it's, like, 50% off. So it's, like, 2 for the price of 1, basically, is how I justify it. And that pretty much lasts me until, like, the following year when it's time to do it again. But I got a couple of them in beauty boxes this past year, so I don't have to do it this year, because we're pretty well good. And they're, like, a nice size. It only takes, like, a dot to do your whole face with this stuff, which is why it lasts me so long. So, anyways. Yes, so, let's see here. $24 for the 5-ounce cleanser. Yes, that is correct. So, why you'll love it. In your box is one of these 3 First Aid Beauty staples. The body lotion and scrub are fortified with 10% lactic acid, a gentle chemical exfoliant that also hydrates to smooth, coarse, dry, and bumpy skin on the body. And the creamy, fragrance-free face wash with calming aloe will be loved by you and your skin. So for the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser, how you'll use it every single night. When you find a cleanser you love as much as this one, it's less tempting to prioritize your bed over your cleansing routine. I don't know about that. I have in my bullet journal, like, I wrote it out for the frickin' year already with check boxes for day and night for each day of this year, so I can check off the boxes when I remember to do my skincare routine in the morning and at night. The times I've remembered the nighttime one so far, I can count on one hand. It's shameful. It's fucking shameful. But anyway. So yes, I am glad that I have more of this, though, so yay. Next up, we have got... This one's a little sample size, but is from Sunday Riley, who are super bougie, really nice, and this is the CEO Afterglow Brightening Vitamin C Cream, which I'm confused by, because they had, like, the normal CEO Brightening Vitamin C Cream that I've had before. So I'm like, what's Afterglow? So the full size of this would be $65. Obviously, this is not full size. Full size is 1.7 ounces, which is not a freaking lot when you think about it. But anyway, while you'll love it, the Sunshine Yellow Gel Cream with vitamin C makes skin all around dewier, more even-toned, and brighter. So much so that one editor has started skipping her usual highlighter after just 2 weeks of using this. Now her skin glows enough on its own. That is one thing I have loved about Sunday Riley, is I find that very true. So how you'll use it. Smooth on to clean skin once or twice a day, morning and or night. I would say don't waste the good bougie stuff like this that's good for glowy stuff for nighttime. I mean, unless you want to, but otherwise, like, keep that for the daytime. Otherwise, no one's gonna see it. What good is the glow if you're sleeping on it? But anyway. Next. Where is it? It's right here. Yeah, this is this full size? No, this is like half size, but anyway. This is the Elta MD Skin Recovery Toner. Full size is 3.4 ounces. I have the 1.62 ounce here. But full size is $20, so I mean, a little steep, but I've seen way worse. Why you'll love it. Like a vanilla latte for your skin, this toner is comforting and energizing all at once. The multitasker hydrates, softens, and fortifies your skin's barrier with amino acids. That's key for keeping moisture in, especially during cold winter months. Oh shit. How you'll use it. Shake a little onto your fingertips and pat onto clean skin right after cleansing and before the rest of your routine morning and night. The alcohol and fragrance-free formula is great for all skin types, including sensitive and acne-prone. Which is definitely good in my book, so. Then we have the Christoph Robin Regenerating Serum with Prickly Pear Oil. It's $49 for 50 milliliters, and this is the 50 milliliter size, so wow, that is expansive. Healthy hair is the goal, and this heat protectant gets you there and makes hair look extra shiny. Ooh, okay. I have stuff in my hair right now that's supposed to make it shiny, and clearly it's not doing its job, so maybe this will do the thing. Why you'll love it. Blow dryers, hot tools, highlights, all things that we love for our hair also dry it out, which is where the silky heat protectant serum comes in. The silicone-free shine enhancer is excellent at preventing new split ends and hiding existing ones. Also excellent. While prickly pear oil and castor oil add tons of shine without weighing down even fine hair. And although it doesn't say it, I believe castor oil is also good for promoting hair growth too. That's why you find a lot of castor oil in like brow treatments and eyelash treatments to help them grow in fuller and faster. So I'm pretty sure if you use this like all the way down, like you may find similar stuff with this, but don't quote me on that in case I'm wrong. How you'll use it. There's a reason it's called a serum. The formula feels a lot like a serum for your skin, meaning it's not heavy and it's easy to distribute through your hair. Finger comb a few pumps onto the lengths and ends of damp hair before styling, or through dry hair for a quick boost of shine and easy polished look. It says through the length, so probably not meant for up here. Darn. Well, there weren't any hopes of it being like, speed, like, growth enhancing thing. Wow, words. I can do words, can't I? But anyway. Alright, moving right along. So we have a Chiate London Fierce Flicks Precision Tip Liquid Liner, which I am very excited about. This is $19, which is reasonable. Why you'll love it. No matter your skill level, the smooth formula and felt tip pin on this rich black liquid liner make dramatic eyes a cinch. It goes on skip-free and is easy to control, so you can define your eyes in deep black or create perfect wings or cat eyes, which I definitely have going on today, even without that. But anyway, how you'll use it. Trace your upper lashes, and if you're feeling it, add a slight upward flick at the ends to go all in with a cat eye. I am always feeling the cat eye. We know that. So that's nothing new for me. And then finally, last thing in here is by Dr. Botanicals, and it's the Turmeric Superfood Restoring Treatment Mask. This is $9.90 for 30 milliliters, which is what this is. Why you'll love it. A skin-soothing winter ritual you can look forward to. This hydrating and antioxidant face mask quenches dry spots and helps calm blemishes while staying juicy instead of drying down. The texture makes it feel extra indulgent and relaxing while brightening skin with curcumin from turmeric. How you'll use it. Smooth the mask over your entire face. It's great for all skin types. Holy shit, that's tiny writing. I'm gonna go to their website and get like the how to use stuff from there, because I'm like, I can barely read that. The weirder thing, the closer it is to my face, the harder it is to read, and I'm nearsighted, so what the hell's going on with that? But anyway, that is it for the January box, so actually, really good stuff. They did not sleep on January, and that makes me happy, since January is my birthday month, and a lot of times the beauty box is just kind of like, they half-ass it, because they go all out for December, so then they have to recoup their losses when it comes to January, and they half-ass it. So I'm glad that Allure didn't do that. So, anywho, that is it for this one, guys. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. Let me know down in the comments what are you the most looking forward to seeing me review first. Obviously, all the things will eventually end up reviewed. This already was reviewed years ago, but the rest of them anyway. Anyways, let me know that as well as anything about anything down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more is all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.